Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you all kinds different CO2 hose. As you can see, in front of our desk there is three different CO2 hose. And first I want to show you it is. We call the quick connector, and this one is female quick connector, and this is the other side, male quick connector. And with this quick connector, you need to know there has two different size, international standards. So I can show you. This is two female quick connector, and you can see this is much bigger. And this one we use a lot in China. There is 1/2 inch PSB, and this is small one, 3/8 inch PSB. You can see there is a different size. And also with a male quick connector, there also has two different sizes. And I can show you here. Here is our CO2 hose. You can see this is female connector, and this is small one. The size is 3/8 inch PSB, and the other one is connector with a CO2 tank. And this is another one, so with a bigger female connector, 1/2. And this is our new CO2 JET machine. And with our new series CO2 JET, we make the connector is male connector. We make it with a small one because small one standard is used a lot in Europe. As you can see. See, this is small one. It fits well. But if you take this big one, it can't fit. Too big. And one thing I want to remind you guys. So when some clients bought this jet from us, and according to his feedback, first time when he tried connect hose with jet, and when he shake like this, he said there is a little bit loose. But I told him no need to worry, because we have sell a lot just to different clients, and it won't happen. The situation like the CO2 gun leak. So if you guys buy this just from us later, no need to worry when you first time connect the hose with jet. And next I want to tell you this part, connector with a CO2 tank. So technically there is different connector. So I'm going to show you. We call this one, bigger one, it is Europe standard, and small one is USA standard. As you can see, let me show you. see, this is bigger, and the exact size with this small one is 20 millimeter, and the big one is 21.4 millimeter. And the third one I want to show you. This is Chinese standard, so it is totally different with this kind. You see it? And one moment, I'm going to show you. This is the old model. So maybe you bought from China a few years ago. Most connector is combined with this brass part. Because we did improvement like this more convenient. But before it is like this part and this screw with this brass one. So then you use this brass one to connect with a CO2 tank. This is also big one, small one. You can see. And last, I want to show you there's different machines and guns, the way they connect. Like this one is our another small new jet. So you can see here is the standard. All our jets is packed with 6 meter hose, and this one there is male quick connector installed on the machine, and the hose. This side is female quick connector. And this one will connect with the CO2 tank. And the second here is our old model. So with our old model, most is female quick connector installed on the machine, and the hose. This side is male quick connector. And the third one is our gun. So this is the most simple CO2 gun, and we also got LED CO2 gun and the conventional LED CO2 gun. There's totally 3 different guns, and you can see here's the guns. We make a handle. Underneath the handle there is a male quick connector, and with our old gun, we packed with a 3 meter hose, and this one is a female connector. So it's also easy to connect with. And next, I want to introduce this one is called T splitter connector, and this one is old one. No one use this now, and we use here is the new model we use now. You see. As you can see, is a T-splitter connector. So I will show you exactly how to connect in later videos, because for now we don't have the CO2 tank in our showroom, so maybe next time. So today I just show you the simple way. Technically, it's like this one connects with the main hose, like this, and the other side is this way, connect with the CO2 tank, and left and the right one connect with each CO2 jet. Like this way, connect with one CO2 jet, and the other way connect with the other CO2 jet. So in the next time, maybe I will show you exactly how to connect and work. And there's two more different separator. Its material is totally brass, so it is kind of heavy, so not much recommend. Like this one is also one tank for two jets. This way connect with a CO2 tank, and these two with the CO2 jets. And this one is one tank for four jets. This way with a CO2 tank, and in front two with two jets, and back there's two holes with another two jets. But this is too heavy, and also the cost is high, so not much recommend. And one important note I want to remind you guys. So I forgot to tell you before. So with our T-shaped separator, some clients have some misunderstandings. So like maybe he didn't know about this. So when he bought the CO2 jets from us, which way we pack the jets is standard hose with a 6 meter and a standard size. And maybe later, client wants to use one tank with two jets, and they ask we sell the T-separator connector to him. But one thing he didn't know is about the size is different. Like you can see, here is our standard T-separator. You can see the size is not fit. It's too big, too much bigger for the T-separator, so it can't work. We need to customize the hose connector size so it can fit the T-separator. So when you guys want to make the way one tank with two jets, you need to tell us before you purchase the CO2 jet from us, so we can customize the hose and the connector size so it can fit the T-separator. Okay, and last I wanted to tell you about this small pack. This black one we call the filter. So you may maybe you didn't see this before, because in the most circumstances, foreigners, clients, they don't use this. But we use a lot in China, because the CO2 tank in China, the CO2 gas inside is very dirty. So when we sell our jets to the night club in China, so maybe after a few months, the jets no more sprayed, because inside when they return the machines to our factory and we open it, found the valve is very dirty, because the CO2 gas which they bought is not clean. So we recommend they bought this filter from us. So when the CO2 gas go through here, they will stop the dirty things to go inside the CO2 jet. And this one is pressure measurement. So you can check how much psi of how many bars coming from when you open the CO2 tank. So that's all. This is the things I want to share today.